This video is about prime factorization of composite numbers, and we do that by following this procedure, and I'll take you through this procedure when we find the prime factorization of 420. So we start just by writing down the number 420, and the first step is to find one factor, and we can use the divisibility test to help us do this. Well, I can see that 420 ends in 0, so I know that 10 is a factor. The second step, find its factor pair. So 10 times what is 420? Well, 10 times 42 is 420. At this stage, if I need to, I can do a division, a long division to get the factor pair, but division by 10 is fairly easy. And the third step, circle any prime factor. Well, 10 isn't prime and 42 isn't prime, so I have nothing to circle. Do this again with any composite factors. Well, these are both composite factors, so I do the process again with both of them. So I'll start with 10, find one factor. Well, I know that 5 is a factor of 10. Find its factor pair. That will be 2, because 5 times 2 is 10. Circle any prime factors. Well, 5 is prime, and so is 2. So this branch has been completed. I do this again with any composite factors. 42 is a composite factor. Find one factor. Well, I know that this is even, so 2 is a factor. Find its factor pair. 2 times what is 42? 21. Circle any prime factor. 2 is prime, but 21 is composite. Do this again with any composite factor. So I do the same process with 21. So I look for a factor. Well, 3 goes into 21. Its factor pair, 3 times what is 21? 3 times 7. Any prime factors? 3 is prime, and so is 7. And now I'm complete, because all my factors are prime. So the final step, when you only have prime factors, write their product. So now I write 420 is equal to, and I just use my prime factors. I'll write them in ascending order from smallest to largest to make it clearer. So 2 is the smallest. I'll cross out a 2 so I know I've used it. Next one, there's another 2, and then there's a 3, and then a 5, and then 7, and I'm done. So my prime factorization of 420 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.